Hi there, in this video I'll show you how to configure WC Marketplace MultiVendor plugin. PGS Woo API provide WC Marketplace plugin support for display vendor details with products in mobile application. Go to Plugins. Click on Add New. Enter WC Marketplace in a plugin search bar. WC Marketplace. Click on Install now. After install successfully, activate the plugin. Go to WCMP. Click on Settings. General Settings. Here we can configure some general setting. These settings will apply to all vendors. Policies. Vendor policies will show on product details page. Customer support. The customer can contact the vendor for support. Click on Vendor tab. We can add custom field on vendor registration page, like first name, last name. On click text box we can add new custom fields. Vendor pages. By default WC Marketplace plugin add vendor dashboard and vendor registration pages. We can set custom pages here for vendors. We can change vendor dashboard endpoints slugs here. Vendor frontend. Site logo for vendor dashboard page. Enter Google Map API key for show Google Map. Set vendor dashboard color scheme. Select vendor shop page template. Payment. Payment options for vendors. Admin can set up commissions and payment with vendors, like admin fees or vendor commissions. Commission type at extra. Capabilities. Provide capabilities for vendor can. Like, allow vendors to submit products for approval publishing. If checked, products uploaded by vendors will be directly published without admin approval. Allow vendors to edit published products. Allow vendors to create coupons. Others capabilities settings. Let's create one vendor account. We need to add vendor registrations page link. We can add vendor registrations page link on the main menu or on footer menu. For add registration page link, go to Admin, Appearance, Menu, Open Pages. On Pages we can see vendor registrations and vendor dashboard page here. Check this pages. Click on Add to Menu button. Drag to particular menu location. Click on Save menu. Let's check on Frontend, reload the page. Click on Vendor Registration. Enter email address. Password. First name. Last name. Click on Registration button. Congratulations! You have successfully applied as a vendor. Please wait for further notifications from the admin. Let's go to admin. Scroll to Users, Vendor Application. Admin can delete. View, reject or approve vendor, approve this vendor. Let's check on vendor's dashboard. Reload the page, vendor successfully approved. Go to Store Settings. Click on Storefront. Vendor can upload cover picture, upload profile picture. Vendor can change store name. Store description. Message to buyers. Phone, address. Social media page links. Policies. Vendor can add policy details like shipping policy, refund policy, cancellation return, or exchange policy. Customer support details. Billings. Choose payment method. Shippings. Locations-based shippings class methods. Now click on Product Manager. Click on All Products. No product found. Click on Add Product. Here we can add product details. Enter product title. Price. Sale price. Select visibility. Enter product sort description. Product description. Here we can upload product images. Product category and tags. Select product categories. Inventory. Shipping, products attributes. Advanced options. Submit. Product has been sent to the admin for review. Once done, the product will be published. Before change the product status, let's check vendor store page. Click on My Shop. No products were found matching your selection. Let's publish the product. Go to Admin, Products. Click on All Products. Here we can see the product status is pending. Click on Edit. Here we can see the product status is pending. Click on Publish. Now product status is changed pending to publish. Reload the page. Now we can see the product. Let's check product details page. Sold by with vendor name. Click on Vendor tab. Here we can see vendor details. We can see the vendor policies. Let's check on